This is Tiffen Black Pro Mist 1/8 filter. Let's open it up. You will feel it got some weight and the metal is very thick. It says Black Pro Mist 1/8 made in USA. And if you look through it, it's very clear. I'll put a step-on ring on it. Yeah, it's very tight. And then I will make a little test to see how that works. So this is me without the filter. You see my face is too sharp. And then I'll put the lights on. So this is the two lights. And you see the lights, it's just like a normal lights. Now I'm gonna put a filter on. And this is me with the filter. And I just close it up. You can see my face is a little bit smoother. And somehow it just looks better. And so this is when you put the filter on, how it looks, the light. Especially when you put as a light somewhere, you can see the difference of the light. This is 1/8. If you want to even further, you can go for a quarter. But I think 1/8 is perfect for face, skin, and accent lights. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.